Hello guys and welcome back to Iman Prophecy. We are yet again back to new episode of Iman Prophecy. So last time we came into the golden statue and we opened a secret pathway to a fairyland after the Venwood. So here we are. This I don't know spirit or fairies. I don't know. They are fighting with us, and I'm getting hit by this sprinklers kind of thing. I'm not pretty sure what they are and if I can fight them, or is there any invisible enemy around here. So we'll see. If we get hit again, then we'll try hitting them, and also be aware of any secret path. I mean it might lead uh, I mean I can get along with these black areas, but I can't go in. So uh, I'm trying to look around the area first, because these enemies are this, spirit or fairies are they are stronger, and they really shed a lot of money. That is 25, 26. I'm still getting hit by someone. I'm not pretty sure if this. I'm trying to hit them, but I'm not able to hit them. All right, I think they are causing a lot of damage to me. Even the spirit and even the, if I'm pretty sure about the. Sorry, there's a windy outside today. If it is this, I don't know what they are, but these green spirit are really causing a lot of damage, and if they got beaten, they are giving a lot of money as well. So that is we're pretty sure that they will be useful in gaining, or even on gaining experience, and even in gaining your purse of gold coins. So I think these sprinklers, yes, I was able to hit them this time, but not all of them are getting hit. So I have to figure out which one of them is the enemy, because there's a difference. Okay, I got Talia is dead now. They're causing a lot of damage. I'm not pretty sure that I should be here now, because Venwood was not very hard, but hard. On a scale of 10, I would say 6 or 6.5. But this is hard. This is okay. So this is. I have entered some room, and it's a script. There's something inscribed over here, but I can't read it. It's in different kind of a language. And there's a fairies, two fairies. What brings you here? What is this place? This is resting place of the dream garden. So I'm at the right place now. So I'm. Her body sleeps here, but her mind exists in the dreams realm. So which we watch her. Okay. So this is a statue. Apparently, she's the dream princess or realm guardian, dream guardian. Yes, has been resting lately. I hear her. So what we reckon over here is that she's not doing well, and she's being restless because of some reason, and apparently we can't visit her. We just have her statues, because she's not physically present here over here. Only her statues present over here, but mentally she's in the dream realm, as they say. And again, I see one more path over here, and this is a common area. I think I'm not having to fight someone. It's small fairies, uh, and it's a mushroom houses. That's good. So, so apparently, don't eat the mushrooms in the forest. Okay, unless you want to sleep for. Okay, so that's a good warning for us. And so they live in the this mushroom, and we can't eat them because they will lead us to 1,000 of years of sleep, and I can't sleep here. So I hope there is a inn over here where I can rest, because I really need to rest. Although I mean I've been regaining my life, brother. making rebirths. Okay, so 500 gold pennies for the fairy dust, which will. This is similar to the inn, where I think they will sprinkle some fairy dust on you to regain your health. Well, the Queen Chambers. This is Queen Chamber. I think this is not the Queen, but this is the Queen, suppose. Yes, Fairy Queen. Welcome to my kingdom. I know what you seek. Okay, so she has intuition. Your answer lies with the guardian of the dream, who we the fairies have sworn to protect. So I was over there. I'm not pretty sure that she helped me find them, and I will. Okay, so there's a task. Okay, so it's a give and take policy. You help them, they help you. So so apparently their children, the fairy children, are being kidnapped or being abducted by someone, and we need to find them. Let me see. Talk to the dreamer to get the dream relic. Find the fairy childrens. Okay. So we need to find these fairy childrens and protect them from someone, and this will uh, kind of allow the fairy, the dreamer or the dream guardian to help us in the dream relic. And I didn't get fairy dust because I think 500 gold coins is almost like a Acufilum Grande. So okay, it's too windy. Actually, I'm sitting outside in my balcony today, and it's too windy outside. It's been a humid day, so apparently I preferred sitting on the balcony rather than inside. Okay, so we have a mutton, we have Acufilum Grande, we have Mashti, Yank Major. Nothing new, but acacia leaf I already have like 29. Let's have one more to keep it in not in a on a even space. Aquafilm Grande, I think I might require because I'm not making use of in or the fairy dust, and this is good. Otherwise, we are doing good. Let's look around more. Okay, so this place is Ferrara. Ferrara, is it? Yes, Ferrara. So it's the fairyland. It is Ferrara. I'll keep a note of it because I need to mark it on the video. Ferrara, okay. And if we go down over here, then I think we'll lead to new place, new house. Sorry, you should speak to with Nino. She lives in the world of okay. So Nino is one of the fairy. I think she actually has been to the human. Okay, so that was second floor of the room. And, now this is something new. We haven't been here, have we? No. Welcome to the Ferrara. Okay, what is this place? This is okay. So I got it. This is another of the guild where I think one can learn. So I'm not pretty sure how the fairies will have enough of weapons or the magic spells to beat someone. But again, just like before, I'll be leaving this. I hope this is the last guild, and this enchanters. If I need, I will come back. But I have till now, I think I have managed to figure out that the earth magic, earth mage is one of the strongest. So I'll probably go there. Earth mage or fire cave. These are the two which I have actually uh, thought of being an alternative. So there's one more house over here. Let's see that. So this is Nino. From what part of the world are you? Brave ones, hero ones. Devin and I are from the northern island. You remind me of okay. So for a small period of life, I lived in a human husband. Lived with a human husband, which village called Eldon. So that's our village, right? But the call of the forest was too great, so I returned years later. Husband died, and my only daughter Talia was left. Okay, surprise, surprise. Uh, so this is Talia's mother. Didn't you know? We didn't knew. That our mother was fairy. Our mother means Talia mother was fairy. How have you come here, dear? Why did you leave me? How could you? Yes, of course. Sorry, did your forest was more important than your daughter, right? Okay, so I tried to leave, but in the end, the call of the forest was too strong to for me to resist. Can't you feel the forest pulling you? Yes, I can. Okay, Talia is a half fairy, so probably she would. Don't listen to it as much as I wanted to. The longer you stay here, the harder it will be to leave. So apparently, as a fairy, she couldn't leave the forest, and she had to return. Yes, we are half fairy. Uh, Glad you also know. Welcome to the knowledge. So I explain my powers. So yes, of course, so Talia has the prophecy, and all those things were predetermined because of this parenthood. I mean, she is a half princess. Sorry, not princess, a half fairy. So now this dot or this sprinklers kind of thing are actually taking is a kind of a portal that are taking you away from one place to another. But again, on outside they are fighting with you. So I have to identify which one of them is the enemy and which one of them are not. We can't stay away from the forest long. Okay, so the fairies are very much strongly bound to the forest, so they can't leave the forest, which I have learned. And same was with our mother. So she couldn't leave. She had to leave the family and come back to the forest, leaving everything. I don't know why grandmother never told uh, Talia that she had it inherit from fairy. So okay, so it's a new call. A new knowledge. So we learned that how the prophecy might have come, and I believe that is all here. Now I have to find the children of the fairies. So I believe came into the rightmost side of the entrance. I should go to the left now. Also looking to any of the secret pathways that would lead to the secret where hidden place where they are hiding the fairies, the children. So these are harder to fight. This spirit and also this. So what I believe, the this moving thing, these sprinklers, there are two kind of them. One which change their color and one which don't. One, they stay the same, like this one. They're just blue, and the one which they change are going to fight you. So I'm just assuming it. I'll try it once again. Although I'm not avoid. I actually am avoiding them because okay, I just got hit again. So I'm avoiding that because I'm not want to get into losing more health. Even this spirit are very strong. So there's one chest over here. Let's try this one. So I got a love charm. Apparently I can cast some. I can be a cupid. Keep it to myself maybe. Okay, so nothing here. Let's move further. So there's a stay over here, and we haven't been here yet. And there's one more to fight. Let's look at our status. It's too windy outside today. Okay, so if you see one of these purple one, yes, this one, this is changing color. I mean, now it has died. I could have shown you. Okay, there's a pathway over here. I think this might be the secret way. But let's look around first. I mean, okay, there's one more chest. Glad that we looked. The star amulet. I don't know what star amulet do. Star amulet. We haven't read about it anyway. The memories that I have of this place is of dream nightmare. I think this is a kind of a nightmare where we have to be in a dream realm, and that have to be fought. I don't remember being to this fairy children's and all those. 604. So I think I'm doing pretty much good on. Okay, this is a love charm. It has 5 charge. A ring with a love stick charge is okay. It's a soul amulet which we got earlier. 1 charge. It's a star amulet. A ring with a star fire charge. Okay. Cost 110 HPs. So, I mean, I believe this secret path will be leading to that place. But before going in, let's just equip some health items because we might fight it. And should I be going with the that charm necklace? I probably should. I'm not pretty sure if I might require it, but I'm not going with the Equifem right now uh, because I'm pretty much full on health. My rule is if I'm down to 30% of health, only then I'll use the Equifilm Grande. Sorry, Equifilm and Equifilm Grande if all my. So here are these childrens, and okay, this harpy is much scarier in his profile picture than original. So he's trying to eat them, and we are in time and more tasty treats. Okay, so you won't get it. Did I had a charm necklace only? Okay, so I forgot to have a charm necklace only. Still, I'll try. This is going to be not good if I'm not having charm necklace, but let's cast a spell on him. Let's try this soul amulet, and it helped. So we actually grabbed his soul. We are being a necromancer. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Hurry home, and the children disappears. So I think if they could disappear, why didn't they do it earlier? So we killed that harpy, and this harpy actually was looking very scary in the picture, but not in the real life. Apparently, he should have, but let it be. So that's done. I think I should have wore that charm necklace on me. I was talking about it, but I forgot it while having the health items. And since I didn't, I was losing a lot of health. So it's a rule. I mean, whenever you're going to fight any boss or mini boss, just go with the charm necklace because that is the only weapon they have. And as I told you, earth magic. The earth magic is defenseless in case of charm necklace. So that's the reason why I'm going for earth mage or fire because fire seems to be very strong. But earth is my much. I will prefer that than your fire magic. So I still have an option, but most probably I'll go with the earth mage. Sorry, I was getting confused with the fighting them. So I think now I should go back to the Ferrara, if I spoke it right, Ferrara, and let the queen, the fairy queen, know that we saved their children and their future, their heritage. And now that we have done are part of the deal. Let's look into the second part of the deal, which is getting to the dream realm or the dream relic as well. So Mr. Jack is down. Talia is doing good. I think we can manage. Let's not fight with everyone and let's go straight to the Ferrara. And and I forgot. Okay, I'm getting hit a lot. Gladly, it was just only one character was getting hit much. So now that we are here, let's. This is the queen. So you have saved the fairy children. I'm in your debt. Of course, you have to be. She sleeps in a cave from north of here. Village. Tell me to fairies. Okay, okay, okay. So we have already been there. I mean, we didn't knew that we had a deal to do. I mean, we had to fight for them, as always in RPGs. So we are now 61 class, pretty much strong. But still, I feel weaker in comparison to those fairies, not fairy, but spirit and these sprinklers outside. I'm calling them sprinklers. I don't know what they are. Soon, if I have some name for them, then I'll let you know. So this is the place where this. What brings you to? We have come to speak to the guardian of the dream. The fairy queen has given us the permission. Okay, now I detect you are okay. So we have a truth detector on us. So where we are, dream realm. This I know. I remember. This is going to be very very tough. Uh, the last time I was here, I remember I went to. Okay, I'll talk to you about this. Man named Lord Zoram. Okay, we told her that priestess of Mr. Far has sent to us. Okay, to get the artifacts to generate Agia, an instrument of great power that will defeat Ariman. I have been waiting for you. Okay, she was already waiting for us. The prophecy is already foretold. So what is wrong? Someone has released a nightmare in my kingdom of dreams. It is not captured. It will okay, and then I will make. Okay, but all not be well for the night. So we have to fight this nightmare in his dream realm, his dreamy place, and we are actually in somebody's dream, basically in the dream kingdom, and it's part of Inception. So it is an Inception story, and we are going to fight that. Why am I doing it again? Don't know. So I forgot what was I talking about. I mean, I got cut over here. Sorry, I don't remember. So I mean, last time I yes, I remember now. Yes. So the last time I played it, I went to the water relic first before coming to the stream relic. Since I was already too much on a class, I was like 66 to 67 at those times. This is going to be very very hard because this black spirit and I don't know what to call them. I'm just going to call the black spirit and this ghost. They are very very strong. Uh, they are going to give you a lot of money. They're going to shed diamonds and rubies, which you have been seeking a lot of time. But again, they are very hard to fight. Even that nightmare is hard to fight. I was at 67, 68 level, if I remember. At least I was at that much level when I came here. So first I went to water relic, which is easier to it. It is comparable in comparison. It is easier to the dream relic, but I mean, since I'm here, so I didn't want to go there first time, I was already here, so I wanted to fight here. So This area also has some secret doors, and we have some armor, not armor, but a helmet for Talia, I believe. I think Talia can wear that, and also a great sword, which is a sword of Thor. So that sword of Thor is a two-handed sword, but its attack is too much to wear a shield. So if you have that, then I think. Okay, so I was not using my flame sword as well, so let's use that. I think I had completely forgot about the flame sword. Did I? For so long, I was using this Templar sword. I wasn't aware that I had a flame sword. I mean, in Wenwood, I could have used the flame sword. Never mind. Since I have it now. So this, let's open this chest. This room needs to be very promising. So there's the Enedem. I think this is the one which I was talking about. Helmet or a tiara for. Okay, so much named. A tiara for Talia, and here it is. So this Enedem has a defense of 300, which is of course too much in comparison to the turban. And this actually raised a lot of defense for Talia. Now that Talia is also getting stronger, if you see this turban only had a 28 of defense, and I don't believe anyone else can wear that. So it's just Talia. I'm not pretty sure, but if I remember, yeah, it's only Talia. So again, we don't have a helmet for Devin, which has been too long for waiting now. But let's Talia have equipped this one. Her defenses could be raised, and it's 878 now, so that's good. And attack is still less, but again, I mean, she can use some spells, so that's a plus point for her. Otherwise, all other characters are doing good. And as I told you, there is one more weapon around here. I have to remember where it is. I don't remember it, but I'll search it. So that is pretty much hidden. Like this one was open chest, but that wasn't. So we have to find that as well. And if I equip that, then I think the attack of Devin would go beyond 1000. I mean, which is already right now, but it will go much more. So Jack is going to be not easy for Jack over here. This Templar sword 103. Let's try this one. I think I am getting the equal amount of attack over here. Then I think, is she captured over there? Yeah, she's in the black. It might be a glitch. So I want to compare this Templar sword over here. I mean, since I have a flame sword. So I think I'm. Let's equip the flame sword. It is pretty much same of attack, not much of a difference. 600 is something which I'm getting with the flame sword. Which is kind of a. So I think I'll drop here and look into my new video. Till then, stay tuned and drop like, a comment on this video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.